If you've been struggling to create proposals that look great on both desktop and mobile, this is the video you've been looking for. In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you how to create clean, professional proposals that actually work, no matter what device your client opens them on. And if you stick around, I'll also share the #1 mistake most people make that ruins their proposals on mobile. I tested all the most popular proposal tools and narrowed it down to the one that consistently delivered across devices. If you want to follow along or try it yourself, there's an exclusive free trial link in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. Let's jump straight in. First, start with a responsive template. This software comes with pre-designed templates that automatically adjust to screen size, meaning no more weird formatting when someone opens your proposal on their phone. Just pick a layout that's simple, clean, and avoids too much side-by-side content, which can break on smaller screens. Now onto the content. Keep your headline short and impactful. Think of it like a subject line. It should instantly tell the reader what the proposal is about. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, and bold subheadings to break up the text. This makes it easier to read quickly, especially on a mobile screen. Next, embed your pricing as interactive sections rather than uploading PDFs. Static documents don't adapt to mobile, and your beautifully crafted pricing table might end up a tiny blur on someone's phone. The software we're using lets you add clickable, collapsible pricing sections that look perfect on both desktop and mobile. For visuals, skip large file size images. Use compressed images or icons instead. This software optimizes images automatically, so you won't need to worry about laggy load times or broken layouts on mobile. Now, signature collection. Most people overlook this, but your proposal isn't complete without a mobile-friendly e-signature. You don't want your client to zoom in and fumble with weird text boxes. The software makes it super easy. They tap, sign, and done. And here's something people get wrong all the time. Test your proposal before sending it. Send it to yourself and open it on both your computer and your phone. Scroll through it. Check the fonts, spacing, and links. It takes 60 seconds and can save you from a client's first impression being, "This looks sloppy." Let's quickly recap. Choose a responsive template. Use short, readable content. Make pricing interactive. Keep images light and mobile optimized. Add an easy signature option. And test it before sending. The key takeaway here is this: if your proposal isn't built for mobile, you're leaving money on the table. In 2025, more clients are reviewing documents on their phone than ever before. What looks good on your desktop might completely fall apart on a smaller screen. If you want to follow along or try building your own using the same tool I used, grab the free trial link in the description. It's exclusive to this channel and gives you everything you need to create your first proposal. Fast. That's it. Simple, effective, and mobile ready. Check the link below, start building, and make sure your next proposal actually lands.